Alright, y'all, we just got to the Dollar Tree to go look for the stuff to make the corsage. Back to school. I mean, I could put some stuff like this, like hanging down.
Oh yeah.
So I might get this, kind of just dripping. That drip. Looking for ribbon. No, but this is kind of too thin. I think it's gonna be in the arts and crafts. Like the thicker ribbon to make the corsage. See, the little cositas. But I mean, if push comes to shove, we might just get a little ribbon, a little bow, whatever. You know what I mean? Oh, I think it'll be here. He says you can find it on Amazon before I find it here.
It's about corsage.
Corsage.
Or corset.
Yeah, corsage. No, corset's different, baby. You do that while I look for my. No, but I think I need to look for the ribbon. No, this is. Oh, I need this. I actually need a glue gun. $3. Can't beat that. Oh, look, the little Uno cards. How cute. Oh, but I already have. Oh, look at the dice. They have the dice. Yeah. Yes, I got the dice. Yeah. So dice, and then, pues I already have. But look at how cute the little cards. But they did have some right here.
Oh yeah.
Keep the ones that I have.
It's up to you. Do you have the colors you want?
Or just take some, just in case. What about poker chips?
I don't see any. That would be cool. We found some of those.
You think we could use these? Or does that not look like chips? I'm just gonna take them just in case. Okay. Oh, they have some right here. These kind of chips. Oh, look. These right here. What do you think of these? Like these kind of chips?
Ooh.
These or
oh, these are kind of cool too.
Because these are just.
These are a little bigger though.
And more vibrant. Those are transparent.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we'll just get these. I actually need a ribbon.
Go back over there.
Yeah. We're back in the crafting section. But I don't see any ribbon. Oh, they're right here, right in front of my face. Hello. Evan, hold. Please. I'm looking for something like this, but pink. Like a hot pink. I could probably use this one. I might just go with the polka dot one. I need like a 1-inch one, so like this one. Like this. And then I need black. So we'll probably use those two. Some silver, some gold. What do you think? I was looking for gold because the reference one had gold. Or there's this one. Might just need to settle. I might, because I don't have like a lot of options. I might just do the, like these right here. And then I might do this one too, because I don't think they have gold. I might need to go silver. Yeah, these right here. Alright, so I ended up finding one with black and gold. And I'm gonna get these. These are like the smaller ones, and then these are like the bigger ones. Fuck it, I'm just gonna do 1 and 1 just in case I do end up using both. Alright, so we're just gonna look for like the little birthday button. I think they should have one. I think it might be right here with the birthday stuff. And it's kind of like weak. My big day?
How does it hang? It says badge.
Because I could work around that maybe. You know, I could like add the little ribbons around it. Like this would be like my starting point, because I don't like that has like the back pin. I might just. Now we're cooking with gasoline. Birthday boy. Let's see what else. Birthday girl. Should I put birthday girl? Birthday boy. We got birthday girl. This one or my big day? What do you think, baby? Send help.
But I think
My big day, no?
Sí, I was thinking the secret of the colors.
The birthday girl one?
No, that one.
Well, this, because I'm going to cover this anyway.
Oh, okay.
I'm thinking, so.
Oh, you are?
I'm wanting to. All right, y'all. We got the bag secured. I just bought you. I'm telling you, the gimbal's like moving. All right. So it's going to be a really good idea or it's going to be a very bad idea? We'll find out. All right, so we are back home and this is my attempt at creating my mom's birthday corsage. So let me kind of go through what I have here. I have these little diamond wraps. I'm thinking I could cut these just to kind of like bedazzle it. I got some scissors, of course. I got this, it's like from a local casino, so I was just gonna like probably cut that out. Got a little Vegas chip. We got some playing cards. These nail art, like kind of like casino style. Got the glue gun. Got this badge. I'm thinking of working around it. Got these necklace coilers, so just says like let's party and stuff. I'm not sure I'm gonna use these. They're like little chips. And then got these dice. Still don't know if I'm just gonna go with the black ones or the white ones. I'm not sure. Then I got like some fake bills. And we got the ribbons, so I went with the hot pink. So these are the 5/8. This one is in black and gold. This one's the biggest one. It's like 1.5 like in the thickness. And then these are 1 inch each. So we got the black and silver. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. And then I got this little lanyard again. Same thing. It's kind of like from the casino. So I don't know. Let's give it a try. Also, I really don't have a tape measure, so what I'm doing is because I want like the same size strands, so what I'm doing is I'm actually measuring from one edge of the table to the other and then just cutting it from there, so at least I know all of my ribbons are going to be the same like length. One thing that I do see is that some people burn the edges, so it doesn't run like this string, so I'll probably end up doing that. Then I got all of my pieces here. These are going to be my ribbons, so I could create like the little loops. What I'm gonna do is I kind of want to fold them in half and then in another half. I'm gonna go half, go another half, just so I could have the same size. And then I'm going to fold these. I might actually do them even smaller. So I do this half, then I have them like that. I'd actually go smaller than that. Let me see. I feel like that's gonna be too big, so I might do another half. I'm still kind of going with the flow. This is my first time creating this, so not sure yet. These I will be folding in half like this to create that little like loop thing. And then what I want to do is use this. That's funny, it already ripped. I've pasted around the one that I already have. And the good thing is that I have a glue gun, but the little clip already broke off. And then I still want to see like the pattern when I put it around the little birthday thing. But I'm just cutting half of a half. So just half of half. So we got like little pieces. And then here I might do like pink and black or something. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing that cutting, and then I'll get back to the video once I have all of my strands pre-cut. So again, I'm just going half and half, half of a half. You guys, I thought the glue gun came with glue sticks, and it literally says here, mini size glue sticks sold separately. So I got the glue gun, but I don't have glue sticks. All right, guys, well, since there was no glue sticks, had to make a pit stop, last minute pit stop, and they close in like 30 minutes. The store will be closing. All the back to school stuff. Yeah, glue sticks. But I think I'm good with what I have. F26. Oh, one more. Handy dandy. Oh, they're right here. Yes. I literally just need like something like this. I think that's even the brand of the. These are damn perfecto mundo. Like, how does Walmart still have this many people right now? Ay, güey, yo me pegaba con eso. Right here.
130 someone.
Keep adding it.
You got your sticks?
Bag secured. Alright, you guys, we just got back from Walmart and this is exactly what I needed. It was even the same brand and everything. So I'm about to turn on my glue gun, because we're going to go ahead and let it warm up to get started with the corsage. The video that I saw as a tutorial was literally one video. Maybe that wasn't a good idea, but the video that I saw was this thing turned on by itself, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the video that I saw was literally 4 minutes. I'm like, if this girl could do it in 4, I could do it. You could do it, put your back into it. All right, so let's get to gluing. All right, so I'm gonna start with gluing just the first one. Oops, I feel like that was a lot of glue. And then just kind of creating that little loop. Gonna be the first one. Just that little loop like this. So I'm just gonna create these first. And again, just adding a little bit of glue, like just on the tip. And then putting them together. Creating that little loop. And a little goes a long way. A little dab at the tip. And then bringing that other corner in. Just tapping the glue to make sure it sticks, to create that little loop. And I kind of want to create something like this. Alright, so the first part is done. As you can see, you want to have something like this, because then this is what is going to be going around our big day. So I'm going to try to just stick them to see and make sure that that's what I want them to look like first, and then I'm probably gonna glue them down. Just want to make sure that this is like what I'm going for. I don't want to glue anything down yet. First, just kind of testing the waters here. Might just need to glue it down. Alright, well, it's kind of looking like something. I'm gonna do these little ones. So same concept, glue them at the tip. So I'm just gonna keep following that process. So I'm gonna glue these two kind of like cat corner to each other, kind of like that. And I'm sticking them underneath right here. How cute! What do you think like that on the top?
Ooh, that looks good.
I just have to glue them.
Looks good.
Yeah, but I did have to cut them because they were too long. No me van a caber. Look at how it is turning out. Super cute. And some bling bling. Yes, it's time to glue the little tabbies where they will hang the cash. Just want to make sure they're nice and spread out. Look at that. I'm gonna probably gonna glue something back here to keep them all together. Probably glue the ace. So I'm probably gonna glue this back here. just to keep everything together. But look at that. Oh, I need to glue the other ones. Oh, dang. I have these. I'm gonna cut these up real quick. Time to add cash money, baby. Dang, this looks really good. Time to glue the little pin. All right, y'all, so I put it on. As you can see, it has the money, it has the dice, the whole thing, the little cards. Here is the finished corsage. I cannot even believe what we started with. Bruh. And what we ended with. We got the dollar bills on the side, the little dice right there. You can see the dice is number 7. It's lucky number 7. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do this as my little hobby? But I really had a good time making this, and I hope my mom loves it. But I think she will.